Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna do a quick video on just installing the UPR bump steer kit in my 2000 Mustang Coyote swap. So here we go. So obviously the first thing you want to do is get the car off the ground so you can get the wheels off. Let's unbox this and have at it. So we took our wheel off, and now we need to get the tie rod end off. So for this car, it was a 17. Yeah, break that nut free, nice and easily. Get myself a hammer to tap that out, and that should tap right down. And then we're going to hang on to the steering rack, loosen this nut, locking nut off, and then back the tie rod off this way. It twists off. So once you have the new bump steer on there, you want to roughly align the car. You're obviously going to have to bring it to get in alignment. So go ahead and set your rotors straight, and then check out your lengths here. And then you have an adjustment right here. You have an adjustment on both sides. Let's see how far out we need to go with this side, and take it from there on the other side. Pretty close right there. And you use your locking nut to lock that length in. Once all said and done, you need to tighten it all up with proper tools. I'm just going hand tight right now. So once you have your knuckle close, you're going to take the provided tapered bolt by UPR. You're going to mount it up this way with a provided nut, which I'll do now. So the goal with the bump steer, they say, is to try to assemble this as parallel as possible to the steering rack. So they provide some spacers. I'm going to make my selection of spacers now and go ahead and bolt that up. So I went ahead and put a wheel back on, and I'm trying to eyeball it up as straight as possible. So now that the other wheel's straight, we return to this side. We try to get this hub as straight as we can visually see. We get our length pretty close. Might give it a few more. Go ahead and lock it in. Like I said, this is all just visual. You have to get an alignment done after this. So go with the same spacers that I chose on the reverse side. And there we are. I'm going to go ahead and tighten all that down with the proper tools and be right back.